In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up custom fields. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add the right fields to your HubSpot deals and contacts, so your team can track the data that actually matters to your process. Start at your HubSpot home. From there, open Settings. In the left sidebar, head to Data Management, then choose Deals. This is where you control the information your deal records can store. Select Manage Deal Properties to see the full list of existing fields. You'll notice built-in properties already available, but we're creating something tailored to your workflow. Click Create Property. You'll be prompted to define the new field. Type a clear, descriptive property label. Think about the wording your team uses every day, so it's instantly recognizable. If you see options such as which group the property belongs to or the field type, choose what best matches your data, like a single-line text for notes or a drop-down for standardized choices. Consistency is key. Using familiar terms and predictable formats will make reporting and filtering easier later on. When you're happy with the label and basic settings, click Create Property. That's it. Your custom field for deals is now in place and ready to use on any deal record. Next, let's do the same for contacts so you can capture contact-specific details in a consistent way. In the same settings area, switch to Contacts. Choose Manage Contact Properties to open the Property Manager for contact records. Click Create Property. Again, enter your property label. Keep naming conventions aligned with what you used for deals, so teammates can quickly understand the purpose of each field across objects. If the setup screen shows options for organization or field type, select the choices that fit the kind of data you plan to store. Clear labels and thoughtful field types reduce confusion, keep your CRM clean, and improve your ability to segment and report. When everything looks good, click Create Property to finish. You now have custom fields for both deals and contacts, set up the same way to support your processes without clutter. As a final tip, communicate these new fields to your team so everyone uses them consistently from day one. A minute spent agreeing on labels and formats saves hours of cleanup down the line. Thanks for following along. If this was helpful and you want more practical walkthroughs like this, subscribe for more.